Adobe Photoshop CC. Introduction. We come across many photographs in newspapers, magazines or in pamphlets, hoardings or in an advertisement where pictures are very clean and good looking. These pictures are very different from the actual picture or pictures that we click every day. Faces with wrinkles, blemishes look beautiful. Dark color skin turns bright, and a person looks much different and good looking in the picture than they look in the real life. Can you guess how all this happens? Yes, you are right. This is done through photo editing software like Photoshop. Adobe Photoshop, popularly known as Photoshop, is a very popular photo or graphics editing software application developed by Adobe, another big name in the software industry. The application of Photoshop is so wide that many professionals use it to earn a living, like graphic artists, web developers, photographers, as well as persons who use it as a hobby for fun and learning. Almost every photograph in a photo album or in a magazine or a poster, etc., is created or edited with Photoshop. As it is widely used worldwide, so it has become a necessary qualification for all graphic designers or photo editors to know Photoshop. Features of Photoshop. Photoshop CC is a revised and improved version of all its previous versions. Photo editing is very easy and efficient with a friendly user interface. Photoshop CC has revised and redesigned powerful tools, which can New improved selection tool, which can be dragged across an image to make fast selections. With the new quick selection tool, it has now become easier. Vanishing point tool can remove the unwanted portion from the picture. With the new improved options of crop tool, you can crop or resize pictures without losing the quality of the image. By adjusting the brightness and contrast, color balance, hue and saturation level, curves, etc., you can further enhance and change the color tone of image. Web applications require files with smaller size file for fast downloading with no compromise on quality. With new and improved Photoshop CC, you can create graphics which can be compressed for these applications. The files so created in Photoshop CC can be saved in many formats like JPEG, PNG, etc., including animated GIFs. The graphics can be modified to any level with the help of layers. A layer will preserve the original state of image, and you can add as many layers as you need for manipulation. Print with a preview of the graphics has become very simple with the new print window. 3D reflection icons and draggable shadows allow you to add 3D effects to an object. A new adaptive wide-angle filter enables you to straighten curves and lines in photographs and quickly achieve effects on the images where there is less space. With the new powerful vector tools, designers can now design and shape graphic elements more quickly and easily. With the improved presets, you can explore new swatches, gradients, patterns, shapes and styles effortlessly. Presets are now more natural to use and easier to organize. Use the new Object Selection tool to better automate complex selections. Simply define a region and Photoshop does the rest. With consistent transform behavior, you can proportionally transform multiple layers regardless of the layer type without using the Shift key as we do it conventionally. Improved Properties panel will help you find even more of the controls you need in one central location. Easily change document settings, access all type layer settings, and conveniently use quick actions. Smart Object to Layers will help you easily convert your smart objects back into component layers to fine-tune your designs, all in one place, without having to switch between document windows. Enhanced Transform Wrap will get more control with the Wrap tool. Add control points anywhere or divide your image with a customizable grid to transform by individual nodes or a larger selection. Stylistic sets for open type fonts are available in Photoshop. Stylistic sets simplify your ability to access a font's alternate sign. Now, you can simply access the Stylistic Sets menu in the Properties panel to apply one or more stylistic sets to your text. Enhanced Content Aware will have 3 new sampling area options. You can use these options to determine the sampling area in your image where you want Photoshop to look for source pixels to fill content. Improved New Document Dialog performance has made the New Document Dialog file new, more efficient, and now opens almost instantaneously. Improved Lens Blur performance. With improvements made to lens blur, you can take more advantage of the depth information in the image captured by your camera. Documents tab improvement. A new Close Others option has been added, which allows you to close all open documents, windows, floating or docked, other than your current document. With Smart Object and Layer Comp tracking, you can now save the variation of a layer comp with a Smart Object to save time from manually setting each variation. Preference setting to auto-show the home screen. In the preferences, you can choose to automatically show or disable the home screen when you launch Photoshop.